All right, traders, I wanted to do a quick video to show you what kind of trouble the Ripple is in right now. Basically, I'm using the RCI, which is the Rank Correlation Index. It shows a positive or negative correlation of price and time. So helps you to determine oversold, overbought levels pretty much, and the strength of a trend. So basically this green line is showing me the strength of the trend. As long as it stays like this below this negative 80 level, or it stays above the positive 80 level, then you're pretty much in a strong trend to the upside or downside. Here it shows a strong downside trend, which case we're able to take entries off of these upper levels from the short-term indicator here. But now what we're looking at here, where we are right now, the issue is that we're below that negative 80 level, pretty much near that 100 level, which shows a strong bearish trend. I don't see anything in sight to help this Ripple anytime soon. Only thing that possibly could go correct for it is that if you look back in time, the lowest point for this Ripple was 0.129, and that's where we're approaching. Now you see this level at 147.07. That's the lowest low close of all time, but this is the lowest of all time at 129.00. And what we're having here happen right now is that price is bouncing off of this Tinkinson and having a hard time getting through that level. If it does break through, I could see price moving maybe back up into the 0.20225 level. Maybe, luckily, if we're strong enough, we could get up into the 0.21436. But I don't see a big time change in effect until about the 147.07 level right here. This is where that all-time low zone is, and at that point you may see Ripple start to correct and change, and you might see the move to the upside start to develop. But at this time we're remaining very bearish and should continue that bearish move to the downside. Sorry. Have a great one, guys. God bless. So long.